So coming down to the third part,
Yeah.
what if, let's say I'm a freelancer and I take BTC or ETH as a payment? So what is the taxation on that?
Okay. So as I said earlier that, in the budget 2018, the finance minister said that, Bitcoins or any other cryptocurrency that you receive is not a
Right,
legal form of money.
right.
But again, if I specifically go with the Income Tax Act, anything you are receiving for a consideration is construed as income as per the Income Tax Act. So when
Okay,
I say income, you fall in the definition of income. So any income you are earning, even though it is not a legal tender, you
right,
have to disclose that income in
right.
India and pay appropriate taxes on it. So again, this is a
Okay,
this is an income from business or profession, and accordingly, as I said, that the books of account limits and that audit limits will apply on this as well.
okay, okay. So I think what I'm guessing from you is that things are gonna get very messy financially for a lot of us, and we really need to take care as to what do we do this year in terms of filing income tax.
Yeah.
All
Uh,
right.
Here,
Yeah.
I just want to highlight, one more important point,
Hmm,
which is very, very important from an individual tax perspective.
hmm, hmm,
So, way back in financial year 11-12, just to track the black money down and
hmm,
track the global assets.
hmm.
So, the government of India had introduced a new schedule called the Schedule of Foreign Assets and Income,
Right.
which forms a part of the income tax return.
Okay.
So, where any individual who is trading on an exchange which is outside India and holding any asset,
Hmm,
even though he has not sold, he has hold that he's bought that crypto as an
hmm,
investment,
hmm,
has to disclose that investment in his income tax return. So, what if he does not disclose that? So,
hmm.
in case he does not disclose that, the black money law gets triggered, and there is a straight penalty of INR 10 lakh rupees on that. And
Okay.
also, if the income is not disclosed from foreign sources, there are
Right.
again very heavy penalties.
Right. Right. Right.
So
I
it is
understand.
important for every individual who are trading on
Hmm,
international exchanges to
hmm.
disclose that in their income tax return, even though they have not sold or not earned any income.
All right.
Disclosure is equally important.
I understand. Right. All right. So, guys, if you've not made profit, you still will have to get yourself audited. That is not a reason for not getting audited. I've seen a lot of memes going around on the internet that if you've not made profit, you don't need to pay the tax and stuff like that. Yeah, you don't need to pay the tax, but you certainly need to get yourself audited. So please take care on that. It is important that you be safe and invest responsibly. So, okay, so we clarified the point that if we are doing like a short-term trade, we are getting taxed. So let us say that, let's take my example. I do about 3 to 4 day trades, right?
Yeah,
So that means about 120 to 150 trades in a month is what I execute, right? So each and every one of them has to be looked up to,
absolutely, yes.